Okay, welcome back to the channel. So to those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So, this throughout this week, we can see that the market has actually been moving in a certain way, right? One of the reasons is that this week is actually the first week of the month, right? And also Monday, Tuesday was actually, those days were actually the last day of last month. So basically the market was kind of reacting somehow. So if you have to take a look at this moment, right, we would want to trade with what we see and not what we think. So what we see here is by going to the forward time frame, we can see that price is literally rejecting this level. So basically, if you have to take this trade, I'm going to tell you to actually reject at this level. We can see that once price has come to the same level, we had the rejection whereby price, give us that bullish move. Same thing with here, price came to the same level, we had the rejection, it gave us a bullish move. Now price has given us a drop and we are expecting it to actually reject from this level again. So let's see if we can take a look at this as a, you know, kind of the resistance level if you would want to see it. So in the long run, we will be expecting GBPUSD to come to take out this resistance. Maybe probably we would get that such movement next week. Probably not sure, but let's see if we will have it next week. But if you would want to know where this market will be moving for the next day, which is Friday, then let's try and aim about 50 to 60 pips bullish move. So if you can aim about, this is about 50 pips, right? So if you can grab about, you know 50 pips bullish move on. So yeah, so if you can grab about 50 pips bullish move, price actually roll up to tap this level. Let's see if price will eventually break above this level or price will drop. Anyhow price reacts, are definitely going to give you an update. So like I said, you should take this buy and let's see if you can hit a level of 1.20013. So that is what I am watching out for. So to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in the comment section, right? Just sign up. I want you to actually give it a try, just 1 month trial. And at that we're putting out a probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what I'll be putting out there. That is what I intend to actually put out. So if in case you're interested, with just 20 USD, you just sign up, you're able to get some of the trade that I've pasted and some of the trade that I'll be pasting once I get a better setup. So the link will be in the comment section.